So, it's been a year. So, 2020 was a year that existed and occurred, and stuff happened in said year that wasn't very good. I think everybody knows that. But in terms of the Reniger, what can I say? I did not have a lot of content, but I said to myself, we're gonna make a Reniger Rewind this year. Like, we'll have stuff, even though it was a very easy one to make. We'll have one, and I am here to say that I want to return to YouTube in 2021. I felt like this year, I guess, would be a break year, but I'm gonna be back. So yeah, enjoy the rewind and see you all in 2021. See you guys next year. Have a happy new year. Reniger out.